everybody. This is Shannon Brooks coming to you from Recovery Solutions this morning, and we're going to do a short video for our Hive, our Healthy Inspirations that we usually do on Tuesday evenings. And tonight we're doing a really easy, simple body or linen spray. Has three simple ingredients that you can get anywhere. Of course, we have some distilled water. I would use bottled water or distilled water instead of tap water. It just keeps your spray fresher longer, and then you're not putting in any kind of chlorine or any other kind of unnatural stuff that is in our water, our tap water, into our body sprays. So just regular distilled or bottled water. And then here's just some pure witch hazel. You can find this at the dollar store, Walmart, anywhere. This is just some good old witch hazel. And then we have some bottles that we're going to use. And these are all bottles that I've had, and you can find them at home. I've just washed them out, and we're going to reuse them today. Just some little spray bottles. So, reuse, reduce, recycle, and I have a couple different ones. Glass ones are nice, or metal, because the essential oils they don't try to eat through the plastic. So if you're gonna do a plastic bottle, I'd recommend a small plastic bottle that you're gonna go through quickly. If you want to store it and refill it, I would store it in a glass bottle or a mason jar that's airtight. And so, super easy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our water, which is 1 cup of water. And then we're also going to add our witch hazel. So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of witch hazel. Oh, squirting it all over. So 1, 2, 3. So once that's done, so 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of witch hazel, and then now we get to the fun part. So we have our essential oils. I have some neroli, I have lavender, I have some myrrh, and I have some sweet orange. So depending on what you're kind of interested in, if you're interested in something that's going to be relaxing and grounding, I put together neroli and lavender and myrrh. Or if you want something uplifting, I would do a citrus and the myrrh. So that's going to be also grounding and uplifting. So you want to do probably about 40 drops, a combination of 40 drops in your spray. If you wanted to just do a straight lavender, straight orange, that's fine. Just make sure you got your 40 drops. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with, I'm going to do a relaxing grounding. So I'm going to do 20 drops of each. And this doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. And then we're going to do 20 drops of our lavender as well. I can get this off here. Right, so that's about 40 drops of our 2 different essential oils. So we're just going to mix that up here. And then I have a plastic funnel. You can make a paper funnel or anything else out of a funnel that you can figure out. And I just spilled that all over. And then you're just going to go ahead and pour it into your bottle. Keep it in a dark place. It'll keep the oils nice and fresh as well, and it'll help everything from becoming any rancid or old. And then just shake it up, and then you have a body spray. So relaxing body spray. So this is super easy. You can do it at home. Really easy products to find, and I hope you all are well and happy. Thanks.